Mac. Because I know the icon, I don't know why the icon is not correct on this application. That's what I put out. World of Kirbycraft is on Mac. I don't know why that it doesn't just check the current directory for the game data, but it's weird. I guess that's why that it can't find it. It doesn't do it like Windows. Don't know if I can add that in either. Let's see if I can get it to work on Mac. On Mac, shift click does not select all the files in a group. Central click will only treat it as a right click. Yeah, if you're on Mac, you have to get used to things. I say I'm a Windows user, but I'm doing this because I figure, well, Mac virtual machine, why not make use of this illegally obtained thing? I mean, nothing. Why not actually make a version of World of Kirbycraft for Mac? Okay, good. Let's see World of Kirbycraft start up on Mac. Yes! We have a Mac build of World of Kirbycraft. Still with Mary with there's issues. Still, we don't have World of Kirbycraft on Mac. How old is this build? Cops don't just spawn in front of your face. Oh. How old is this? Pretty sure they don't spawn in your face anymore, and your wanted level is actually properly set at 0. Strange. Has a low frame rate, but that's to be expected from the virtual machine. Oh. And you don't even have to push W multiple times. You just hold it down and you start running. That's kind of a nice feature. You don't turn much. I don't know if this is just the VM. I don't actually own a Mac computer. No, I don't. Also, Mary's hammer has noticeably less colors. That's because on Linux and Mac, you don't have that, what is it, the direct draw or whatever from Windows, which is why that rendered in full colors, but these rendered in the limited palette. It's because of that. Now all the graphics on the HUD are all limited to the palette. Also, I think the reason why the double tapping may not work is because maybe the VM is just sending repeated W commands after a second. Maybe it's not the VM though. Maybe the Mac is doing it. I don't even know if the Mac's doing it or not. I have to see if the same thing happened on Linux. Also, that graphic is way bigger, but that is very slow mouse movement. Why am I stuck at the top of the window? What? Stuck at the top option. I have to disable that mouse somehow. How do I disable the mouse in the menus? Well, this I can just the sensitivity of the mouse. Almost better, but not perfect. Yeah, now I can turn. Now I can play World of Kirbycraft on Mac. But yes, that means that people, yes, do expect Mac builds of World of Kirbycraft now. If you're not a Windows user, you won't have to worry about not being able to play World of Kirbycraft, and now you have less of an excuse not to play this. I did notice something odd there. The voxel models are invisible. The springs are invisible. This is going to make it really hard to play on Mac. You cannot see there's a spring right here, but there is. My sensitivity. Yeah, I think that's because of the VM. Why are the voxels invisible? Draw voxels is true. I should be seeing them. Well, that's something I wouldn't know if I just stuck to Windows. Not that I'd really want to play it here with its unpredictable sensitivity where it can suddenly turn me around in a split second, and then it's like, it's inconsistent. The one thing I want to see now, let's just exit the VM, if we can. I don't actually know if I can exit it right now because World of Kirbycraft is full screen. I want to adjust my volume on here because I have it muted. I want to see if the Fmod works. Let's see, I know you've been hearing all of it this whole time because it records regardless. Let's see. Yes. So yes, the game does have sound too, dice. I somehow pulled that off through a VM. But yes, Z-Doom. Still annoys me. I do not know where it's setting that on hide the engine that powers World of Kirbycraft Z-Doom. There's a reason to change that title. Quit the engine that powers World of Kirbycraft Z-Doom. Bring all to front. Zoom. Oh no. Zoom just made it like full screen. Did it just make it full screen? Yes. Watch out for Zoom. Make sure window full screen. Maximize does it too? That doesn't happen on Windows. I know that maximize is kind of different on Mac. If you maximize something on Mac, it like scrolls over to the side. Yeah, it kind of threw me off when I initially saw that. But two things I need to fix. The Doom Space Marine somehow still being in the icon even though I totally changed it. And where is the Z-Doom written in the source code? This is also a problem on the Windows version. Expect it to be on Mac and eventually Linux, but expect me to pre-compile it on all of them. It's going to be hard to manage this, but no matter what operating system you're on, I need to give you no excuse to skip over World of Kirbycraft and play it today. I'll have to update whenever that Mac build is actually on there.